All right, first grade, let's do some counting here and sing along, all right? So let's just go over some, I think that we've talked about these. If we haven't, they are half notes, and half notes get how many beats? 2 beats of sound. And everybody knows what these are, right? Quarter notes, and they get how many beats? 1 beat of sound. And this is, it's like this is a quarter rest. 1 beat of silence. So I'll sing it, or if you think you really know it, you can sing along with me. Here we go. Ready, go. Ta, 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 sh, ta, ta, ta. Remember, 2 beats of sound for that half note. Ta. All right, here we go again. Ready, go. Ta, 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 sh, ta, ta, ta. All right, it's your turn to do it on your own. Ready, go. All right, now let's do the bottom one. You do it on your own, then I'll do it, all right? 1, 2, here you go. Did you guys get this? The half note? All right, let's sing. Ready, go. Ta, sh, ta, sh, ta, ta, ta. All right, now let's clap it. So should we clap on the quarter rest? Nope. Here we go. Ready, and ta, sh, ta, sh, ta, ta, ta. Let's do that again. Ready? Ready, go. Ta, sh. Oh, I messed up a little bit. We're doing the bottom line. Ready, go. Ta, sh, ta, sh, ta, ta, ta. All right. One more time. Ooh, do you think we can do it from here? Then when we get here, go here. Let's try it. 1, 2, just singing, go. Ta, 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 sh, ta, 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 sh, ta, sh, ta, ta, ta. There we go. All right, now I have something else I want to teach you. I don't think we've done this. Get ready for it. Let's see, I'm going to erase all of this. I'm going to cut that quarter note in half. And you may be wondering, well, those notes look like they're upside down, but that doesn't matter. They can be like that, or I'll put the same thing over here. Or they can be like that. It doesn't really matter. Let's sing though. Oh, just listen to me sing it this time. 1, 2, just listen to me. Ta, ta, ta-dee, ta, 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 ta-dee, ta. Did you notice for these notes right here, I didn't sing only ta, I sang ta-dee, right? Here we go. Ready? And ta, ta, ta-dee, ta, 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 ta-dee, ta. All right, you do it. Ready? Go. All right, not bad. Now, let's see if I can really get you this time. You ready? Put that time signature there. I don't want to do that. I think that's too hard for you guys. Yeah, let's do this. All right, are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, sing. Ta-dee-ta, ta-dee-ta, ta, ta, ta-dee-ta. Well, that kind of had a cool rhythm, didn't it? Ta-dee-ta, Ta-dee-ta, ta, ta, ta-dee-ta. Ooh, let's say it like this. Pepsi, Coke, give me Pepsi, Coke. How about that? What other words could we put there? Let me think. Ooh, this is a good one. Chocolate pie, give me chocolate pie. How about that? So, for your homework, I want you to come up with 2 blocks like this, 2 measures. That's the fancy word that the old kids are using. But don't remember that word, measure, okay? That's just for the older kids. I shouldn't have even said it to you guys. So, we want 2 big blocks. Don't think measures, or you can think sections of music, not measure. And you can use the words Pepsi, Coke, or something like that, or chocolate pie, whatever you come up with to use those notes there, okay? And I don't know if I told you, but these, well, you know what? I have another color here. I should just use that, right? Those are 1/8 notes, the ones that I put a box around. So say 1/8 notes. And they go a little quicker, right? They don't last as long as what's these called again? What are these called? Quarter notes, right. So I'm going to erase this and give us another one. Or you know what we could do? We could do one together. Oh, this is what we should do. I have a really good idea. I would like you to get some paper and cut it up, and let's see. I think I have some extra paper over here I can get. Let me see here. All right, so I have paper here, and I'm going to tear it up. Maybe if I'm strong enough. And we're going to write the words Coke and Pepsi on them. All right. So let's see. And then I'm going to go see if I can find a hat. The thing is to remember that we can have how many in each measure? Not measure, each section. We can have 4 in each. So, I will be right back, all right? All right, I am back. My iPad ran out of storage, so I had to delete some old videos. But anyway, I was able to take my pieces of paper and I wrote C's on them for Coke, and I wrote P's for Pepsi, and I also made like 2 wild cards with a rest. I started to make this one Coke, but I was like, I want another wild card. So we have 2 rests. So we have 12 papers here that we are going to put in my hat. And we're going to pull them out. Now let me put the the section lines up here. Don't remember the word measure, because that's not right, and we only made enough for 3 of these measures. Boxes. Not measures. Don't remember measures. They're boxes. Sections. Measures are only for older kids when they remember this. All right. Now let's see. I'm going to pull one of them out, and it's going to be Pepsi. So Pepsis, remember, are Pepsi, toddy, right? 8 notes. So we're going to make them fast. Make that a little better for us to see. Pepsi, all right. Here's the next one. Coke. Pepsi, Coke is a quarter note, remember? Pepsi, Coke. Another Coke. Pepsi, Coke, Coke. Another Coke. Coke. So right now we have Pepsi, Coke, Coke, Coke. Or we could sing it Ta's and D's. Ta-dee-ta, ta, ta. Right? Let's see what the next one is. It is a Pepsi. Ooh, we're starting this this section. Gee, why do I keep saying measure? I don't remember the word measure. It's section. Each section, right? Not measure, section. So we've got Pepsi. Ooh, we have another Pepsi. Pepsi, Pepsi. And notice when I draw it, I connect them at the top, right? Pepsi, Pepsi, Coke. All right, let's see what the next one's going to be. A Coke. All right, are you ready to do this here? Ready, go. Pepsi, Coke, 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 Pepsi, Pepsi, Coke, Coke. All right, let's see what the next one is. Another Pepsi, all right. Pepsi, all right. Coke. And then we know what the other last two are going to be because that's all that are left. Rest, how did they get at the end? All right, are you ready to do this one? This is pretty easy, huh? Ready, go. Pepsi, Coke. All right, ready to do it all? Ready, go. Pepsi, Coke, 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 Pepsi, Pepsi, Coke, Coke, Pepsi, Coke. All right, so that's what you do. If you want to make three measures like we have, sections, if you want to have three sections like we have here, how many pieces of paper will you need? Let's count them. Let's use red to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in each one. 5. Now remember, I'm only counting either a full quarter note or 2/8 notes. Notice I'm not doing this. I didn't put a 5 and a 6 there because we only need Pepsi for that one, right? So 5 goes here, and then 6 for that Pepsi, 7, 8, 9, because that's Pepsi, right? It's only one drink. Then 10, and then we have to count the rest, 11, 12. So if you want to do three measures, three sections, not measures. If you want to do that many, then do 12. If you would like to do 4 measures, let's see, 12. How many are we going to need? 13, 14, 15, 16. My 14 looks a little weird. All right, maybe my 15, I can make it a little bit better. There we go. All right? So, there we go. So you get to do that at home now, all right? And you don't have to have these fancy lines here like I do. You can just write on white paper. All right? Sounds good.